How's it going, everyone? This is Mark with @Tech. In this video, I want to make an update on this right here. This is our YouTube subscriber counter that we made several months back. And YouTube has made several changes to the way they report subscribers since we made that video. So this is not only an update to the previous video talking about some of the downfalls of the subscriber counter now, but also YouTube's new way of reporting subscribers. So this change they made isn't new. In fact, they implemented it back in September, and we're just making a video on it right now. But I figured I should mention it because some of you may wonder why your counter is not working properly. So back in September, YouTube changed the way that they report YouTube subscribers. They want subscribers to be less of an important factor when it comes to making your own content. They want you to be making content because you like it and because you like what you do. They don't want you to be focusing solely on the number of subscribers, as that is not as important these days. It's mainly views and audience engagement that determines your success on YouTube, not necessarily subscribers. In an effort to reduce that stress on content creators, they are now reducing the number of subscribers that they show in increments. So for example, if you have 1,123,456 subscribers, they're going to show more like 1.1 million subscribers. They are no longer going to show you those fine numbers. The level of accuracy that they display those numbers in changes based on how many subscribers you have. If you are in the thousands, between 1,000 and 10,000, they're only going to show you in increments of 10. As you can see up here, we have 5,850 subscribers. Now that is not necessarily true. We may have more than 5,850. We could be one shy from 5,860, but for this 1,000 range that we are currently in, it only increments by levels of 2, meaning that you're not going to know for every single subscriber gained and lost. Rather, it's increments of 10 in our current case, and that is what they're trying to do, is less of the individual and more of the milestones. As we get to the 10,000s, chances are they are only going to show you in terms of hundreds now. So you're no longer going to see the accuracy of 10, your accuracy is now going to be 100. They're getting a little bit more finite on the number of subscribers they're showing you on the website. For example, they would say that we have 5.8 thousand subscribers, or maybe 5.85 thousand. Typically they round it up, so they would say we have 6,000. But now they're a little bit more precise on their website to match more of what we see on this counter right here, but they do not get down to the individual numbers, and that is no longer something you can get with such a subscriber counter as this. The same thing goes for any other live YouTube subscriber counter. Online things like Social Blade only show you in increments of 10, as we have right here. The only place where I found that you can actually get individual numbers of counters is in the actual YouTube Studio app. They haven't updated that yet. You can expect that to go away eventually. But for now, you can still see individual subscribers that you get. And I do get emails of every subscriber I get as well. So they haven't made changes to those things specifically, but just keep in mind that if you are planning on making a subscriber counter like this one, you are not going to be able to get as accurate and one-by-one subscriber information as you used to be able to. So is this good or not? Well, because of the fact that it updates less frequently, I'm checking it less often. In fact, it's been unplugged and off for quite some time. I worry about it less, so I guess it is somewhat of a nice thing. You don't have to think about it as often anymore, and you can focus more on the content, which we have been doing. So it is nice to not have to worry or get frustrated if you lose 3 subscribers and gain 0. It's nice in that respect. But it would also be nice to get that precise information because, like I said, I'm not really using this anymore. I was so excited when I made this and it was so awesome, but now it's just not as cool anymore because it updates less frequently. But let me know what your comments and thoughts are in the comment section below. Do you like what YouTube's doing? Do you not like it? Do you have a subscriber counter? Are you still planning on making one? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button to increase this counter. Link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching as always. This is Mark with @Tech, and I will see you in the next one.